today magluluto tayo ng spicy chicken breast afritada. And today, I've got here my chicken breast marinated. And we have our tomatoes, chili, hot chili. We have garlic, red onions. I also got my potatoes. I also got here carrots, green peas, cabbage, and tomato paste. Okay, this is a tomato paste. So we also used 1 chicken cube. We're going to start now our cooking. Now, umpisahan na natin ang ating pagluluto. So, we have our cooking wok over here. This is our ng oil. I keep on using vegetable oil, but any oil as you like. 2, it's alright. Lagay tayo ng ating garlic. Next, red onion. Next, tomatoes. Next, our hot chili. Ang ating niluluto ngayon guys ay isang spicy chicken breast afritada. Okay? Spicy. Ilagay na natin ang ating 1 chicken breast cube. Maglagay tayo ng ating tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. We add our marinated chicken breast. This is boneless chicken breast. Hintayin natin mag-ano siya guys. Hinaan natin ang ating apoy. I-mix ng mabuti. Yung chicken breast natin. So, we are going to simmer this for 5 minutes guys. Takpan natin guys. I-simmer natin ng 5 minutes lang. Maglagay tayo ng 1 cup of hot water. Potatoes. So we're going to add our potatoes. So nag-add na tayo ng ating potatoes. Next, brown natin guys ang ating carrots. Brown muna. Ito yung carrots natin guys. Kita ninyo. So, ibaw natin ng konti. So, malagay na tayo ng ating carrots guys. So, malagay na tayo ng ating carrots. Isi-save na lang natin guys para mag-consider ang ating mga vegetables. Next, i-add natin ang ating green peas. Atakpan natin ulit. Yun yan. Yun na yun. Yun na yun mga inday, mga ulo. Maglagay na tayo guys ng ating oyster sauce. Ano lang, inubos ko na lang yun kasi naglagay na ako ng kuning-kuning. Wow! Masarap na siya guys. So, we're going to add our honey. So, mag-add tayo ng honey guys. Instead of adding brown sugar, we just add honey. One tablespoon of honey. Ang honey pala guys ay isang substitute ng ating sugar. maglagay tayo ng pepper. Pepper. I add, this is the cabbage, and yeah, simmer for a few minutes, okay? So I want my cabbage, guys, just half cook, not so much cook. So almost getting there. So now I'm going to put a cheese. Cheesy. This is cheese. That is cheese. So it is already cooked, guys, and it's yummy. So the last part in our cooking is we're going to add the spring onions. Okay, kita ninyo, guys. So that's it. That's the last part in our program, is sprinkling the onions. So now we are going to start our platings. Mag-platings na tayo, guys. So watch it. And yummy! So guys, that is our final product. That is chicken breast afritada. So this is a spicy chicken breast afritada. That's it. So and the platings like that. So guys, this is our final product. This is spicy chicken breast afritada. So thank you for watching to my channel, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a great time. Bye.